Welcome to Finanzas Perseverantes, your financial guide in the world of real estate. I'm your host, Antonio Ramirez. Today we're embarking on a journey that involves a significant decision in life, buying a house. It's a significant investment, one that requires careful planning, strategic thinking, and of course, a stable financial footing. Buying a house isn't just about having a roof over your head, it's about creating a space that you can call your own. It's about providing safety and security for your family and investing in something that could potentially grow in value over time. But as with any major investment, it comes with its own set of challenges and obstacles. This video is designed to guide you step by step through the process of buying a house. We'll discuss the factors you need to consider, the pitfalls to avoid, and the strategies that can help you make a smart and informed decision. We'll delve into topics like understanding your financial situation, exploring the real estate market, negotiating with sellers, and securing a mortgage. But we're not stopping there. We'll also delve into the pros and cons of homeownership. Sure, owning a home can be a dream come true, but it also comes with responsibilities and risks. We'll shed light on both sides of the coin, providing you with a balanced perspective to help you decide if buying a house is the right move for you. And of course, we'll share some invaluable tips and insights from experts in the field. These nuggets of wisdom could potentially save you thousands of dollars and a lot of headaches down the line. So, whether you're a first-time buyer or considering your next property investment, there's something in this video for you. Stay with us as we delve into the world of homeownership. You won't want to miss this. Buying a house is a significant financial decision. Understanding the process can make it less overwhelming. So let's get started. The journey to homeownership begins with saving for a down payment. This is the upfront amount you pay towards purchasing your home. It typically ranges from 5 to 20% of the house's total price. After saving, the next step is getting pre-approved for a mortgage. This involves a lender reviewing your financial situation, including your income, debts, and credit history, to determine how much they're willing to lend you. Pre-approval is a powerful tool when house hunting, as it shows sellers that you're a serious and capable buyer. Once pre-approved, the exciting part begins: house hunting. This involves searching for a house that fits your needs and budget. It's a good idea to make a list of must-haves and nice-to-haves to guide your search. You can search online, attend open houses, or work with a realtor who can guide you through the process. After finding a house you love, it's time to make an offer. If accepted, you'll enter into a contract and complete a home inspection to ensure there are no hidden issues. The lender will also appraise the house to verify its value. The final step is closing the deal. This is when you sign all the paperwork, pay closing costs, and finally get the keys to your new home. Closing can take anywhere from a few weeks to a few months, so patience is key. Each step in the home buying process is crucial and requires careful consideration. From saving for a down payment to closing the deal, every decision you make can significantly impact your financial future. Now that we understand the process, let's discuss the advantages of buying a house. Buying a house is not just about having a place to live, it's an investment that can have significant financial benefits. Firstly, let's talk about equity. When you buy a house, you're not just spending money, you're investing it. Every mortgage payment you make, every upgrade you install, builds equity. Equity is the difference between the market value of your house and the remaining mortgage payments. Over time, as you pay down your mortgage, and if the value of your house increases, your equity grows. This is a form of wealth that can be utilized in various ways, such as funding for retirement or an avenue for securing loans. Next, the tax benefits. Did you know that homeowners can enjoy some tax deductions? Depending on your country's tax laws, you may be able to deduct mortgage interest and property tax payments from your annual tax return. These benefits can result in significant savings over the years. Thirdly, stable housing costs. Unlike renting, where costs can escalate with each lease renewal, homeowners with a fixed-rate mortgage have consistent monthly payments. This stability makes budgeting easier and protects you from sudden increases in living expenses. Lastly, the potential for rental income. If your house includes a rental unit, or if you decide to rent out your entire house, you can enjoy a steady stream of income. This can help offset your mortgage payments or even turn into a profitable venture. But it's not all roses. Buying a house comes with responsibilities and costs that you don't have when you rent, such as home maintenance and repairs, property taxes, and homeowners insurance. However, homeownership is not without its challenges. Let's look at the disadvantages. While homeownership has its perks, it's important to understand the drawbacks before making a decision. One of the significant disadvantages of buying a house is the maintenance costs. When you own a home, you are responsible for all the repairs and upkeep. Unlike renting, where your landlord bears the burden of maintenance, homeownership means that everything from plumbing issues to roof repairs falls on your shoulders, and these can add up, especially in older homes where wear and tear is more common. Another downside to consider is property taxes. These taxes can be quite substantial, depending on where you live, and they tend to increase over time as the value of your property rises. It's an ongoing expense that doesn't go away, even after you've paid off your mortgage. Then there's the potential for depreciation. While real estate often appreciates over time, there's no guarantee. Housing markets can fluctuate, and the value of your home may decrease. This could leave you with a house that's worth less than what you paid for it, especially if you need to sell in a hurry. Lastly, let's talk about flexibility. Renting offers the freedom to move around without being tied down to a mortgage or a specific location. But when you buy a home, you're making a long-term commitment. Selling a house and buying a new one isn't as simple as ending a lease and finding a new rental. It can be a lengthy and costly process. In addition, if your circumstances change, say you get a new job in a different city or state, it may be more difficult to pick up and move. You'll have to sell your home first, which can take time and may not always align with your plans, but don't let these drawbacks scare you away from home ownership. They're just factors to consider in your decision-making process. It's all about understanding what you're getting into and preparing for it. Weighing the advantages and disadvantages can help you make an informed decision. If you're enjoying this content, don't forget to hit like and subscribe. So, should you buy a house? The answer depends on your personal circumstances and financial goals. Now that's a wrap on our in-depth discussion on the pros and cons of buying a house. We've covered everything from understanding the process to weighing the advantages and disadvantages. Remember, purchasing a home is a significant decision, one that requires careful planning and thorough consideration. It's not just about having a roof over your head, it's about making a long-term investment and creating a stable environment for you and your loved ones. On the flip side, we've also highlighted the potential drawbacks. From the financial commitment to the responsibilities that come with homeownership, it's crucial to be aware of these factors before diving in, but don't let the challenges scare you away. With the right approach and sound financial planning, buying a home can be a rewarding journey. It's all about taking calculated steps and making informed decisions. If you're still unsure, don't hesitate to seek professional advice. Financial planners, real estate agents, and mortgage advisors can provide valuable insights tailored to your specific situation. They can guide you through the process, help you understand the market, and assist you in making the best possible decision. And of course, continue to educate yourself. Read books, attend seminars, and stay updated with the latest news in the real estate market. Knowledge is power, and the more you know, the better prepared you'll be when it's time to make a decision. Thank you for letting Finanzas Perseverantes into your homes or study centers. It's been an honor to share this information with you. We hope this video has shed some light on the subject and given you a better understanding of what it entails to buy a house. We encourage you to share this video with your friends, family, and colleagues. Let's spread the knowledge and help each other make smart financial decisions. And if you found this content helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Stay tuned for more informative content. See you in the next video.